Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Meghalaya Human Rights Commission hagan riu tarik uyayong arjar khat khandai kala penlong ya kejing ya kren bar kejing batai halor kapang Human Rights and Constitution Remedies hagaba hagani ka program lai don lang Chief Justice ke Meghalaya High Court u Muhammad Yaqub Mir u balong ru hagajo ka por kumu kongsan. Yakani ka program la penlong hapo hall jong ka Pinewood Hotel Shillong bat hakani ka sngi nalor kongsan la don lang ru Dr. Justice Aftab H. Saikia ubadai u chairperson jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Ka kong Taylin Panbo, chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Nangta ka kong Mina Kharkongor, kabadai ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Ki samla ki papuli hakaliang ka ain, but kiway de.
The vote to adopt the Declaration of Human Rights, in fact, was considered as a triumph, as it unified diverse nations and conflicting political regimes. In order to give the human rights listed in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, two components were there: civil and political rights and economic, social, cultural rights, commonly known as ICCPR and ICSCR. Together, these three, UDHR, ICCR, ICSR, are known as the International Bill of Human Rights. A comprehensive list was prepared, which were to be focused as to how to respect and promote the human rights, which include right to life, a copy of Universal International Bill of Human Rights, what was incorporated there. Security of person, freedom from slavery, freedom from arbitrary arrest and detentions, freedom of movement, due process of law, freedom of opinion, freedom of association, right to safe and healthy working, right to free trade, right to adequate food, right to education, right to health. Under this said declaration, it is the primary responsibility of the governments to ensure, to promote human rights in the background of these listed rights. Every individual and every organ of society shall have to strive by teaching and educating the people to promote respect for these rights.